Hello, I'm Pamela Owen, Associate Director of Texas Memorial Museum. Did you know 113 million years ago, Acrocanthosaurus, the largest meat-eating dinosaur that roamed Texas, walked along the beaches that extended from South Texas to North Texas, leaving footprints and trackways. I have 3 casts of footprints from Acrocanthosaurus, including this really large 3-toed track with claw impressions and the squished burrows of shrimp. And this tells us a little bit about the environment at the beach that Acrocanthosaurus was walking upon, to preserve not only the footprint, but places where these little shrimp lived. This cast is really interesting because we see that the shape of the toes look very skinny, almost like pencils. That doesn't mean that Acrocanthosaurus had pencil-shaped toes. What happened is when Acrocanthosaurus was pressing its foot down and lifting it up, there was so much water in the mud that the mud collapsed within those toe prints, creating a track that looks like this. The third track is really intriguing. It's really elongated and has rather short toes. What happened here? This is called a metatarsal track. And you have to kind of imagine a dinosaur's foot. And I'm going to use a living dinosaur, a chicken, to kind of show that anatomy. We see those 3 toes with claws, and we see part of the foot bone extending up to what we would call the heel, because it's actually walking on the tips of its toes. A metatarsal track is when Acrocanthosaurus or other dinosaurs actually stepped down in the mud and slid down so that the whole foot, in the case it would be this length in a chicken, made contact with the mud and left this really interesting track. You can learn more about dinosaur tracks by visiting our website, www.texasmemorialmuseum.org.